This topic is only relevant for companies. When we were doing individual, if there is more than 12 months accounting period, let's say 15 months or 15 months, 18 months accounting period, we are calculating the capital allowance as per that. Means 18% WDA is for the year. So divided by 12, multiply by 15. 1 million AIA is for the year. So divided by 12, multiply by 15 months. If the period of accounts is 15 months, this was happening only in individuals. But for the companies, is totally different. For the companies, the rule is you are not allowed, you are not allowed to make the working more than 12 months. For the companies, you are not allowed to make workings for more than 12 months. So if it is 15 months accounting period, what we have to do, we have to split it. We have to split it. The first, yani if it is 15 months, we will split it 12 months separate and the remaining months separate. If it is 15, then 12 separate, 3 separate. If it is 16, 12 separate, 4 separate. If it is 18 months, 12 months separate and the remaining months will be separated. This concept is only applicable in companies, not in individual. Got my point?
Got it.
Now, how to deal with it? So we have a small example question. Please read the question.
Oak Ltd prepared accounts for the 15 months to 30th June 2022 with the following
First question to you. The period is ending on June. This is 15 months. These are 15 months. So what we supposed to do? When it started? If it ends in June, when is it started?
starts in July.
15 months. Actual, this one. When is supposed to start? If I write here April 21, you can count. Is it 15? Is this period is 15 months?
Yeah, it's 15.
And this is not an individual, this is company, Oak Limited. So the rule is split it. Split it means first 12 months will be separated. Means April to 12 months, it will be year end, March, right or wrong? We have to split starting 12 months separate and the remaining will be yani March, so April to June. Correct or no? This is the rule.
Yeah.
For companies, if we have more than 12 months, what we have to do, we have to split the first 12 months separate and the remaining 12 months separate. Now, how to calculate TTP? So what I am doing, I am writing it here again. This is the working to let you understand. Okay. This is my 12 months and this is my remaining. These are 3 months and these are 12 months. Correct? Now the first amount is known as what? The first figure is trading income, right or wrong? Now I am splitting the screens. Just check. The first line about trading profit, what's is written? It's written that trading profit can be split out. Split out means what split out means? Now we will learn split out. See, adjust or splitting out. Just look at it. This trading profit is for 15 months, right or wrong?
Right.
So what we will do? Simple. We will do this. Simple. 12 months separate and 3 months separate. Yani this amount divided by 15 multiplied by 12 and this amount divided by 15 multiplied by 3. What answer you will going to get?
For 12 months is 706364.
Okay.
3 months is 176591.
And they wrote it that this is before capital allowance, so we have to calculate capital allowance. For individuals, we are not supposed to do this type of working. If for individual, we can work for 15 months altogether. But for the companies, the rule is 12 months separate and remaining months separate. And this rule will apply to trading income, capital allowance, and so on and so forth. So first of all, we are going to calculate capital allowance for 12 months. You can read these lines, the ending lines. The main pool balance is given. How much?
37,000.
Opening balance of main pool, and this is the capital allowance column. Okay, now tell me, they bought anything?
They bought plant costing 220,000.
Addition, correct? Is it qualifying for what? Qualifying for super allowance. Why? Because this is not an individual. This is a company, and for companies, first applicable is allowance is super allowance and then AIA. So the super allowance on the plant and machinery, we knows the conditions. Already I send you the video as well. You can just go and watch it. So it will revise. So super allowance is how much percent? What is the percentage of super allowance? Hello?
Yeah, I said 130%.
130% will be how much?
3718.
Sorry. It's 220 at the rate of 130%.
286,000.
Correct. And this is capital allowance. Finish. The closing balances are this, and on the closing balance, we used to apply 18% WDA, which will be 6660, and capital allowance we will get, and TWDV carry forward as well.
292,000.
292. This is this is my capital allowance, which will be deducted from here, and TWDV is there, but still I need to calculate for 3 months. 3 months they didn't bought anything, not no addition, no disposal. So WDA 18% and is 3 months. So how much? This is what you can say the splitting of and calculation of capital allowance if it is more than 12 months period. Any confusion?
Is WDA for 3 months 156 1665 or
1365. Just apply 30340 34. Let me do it here. 30340 into 18%, then 3 by 12. 1365. Look, this calculator is giving the same answer. Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
Huh?
Yeah, understood.
Okay. Now this is done. After this, trading income, we are done. And it was before capital allowance, so we calculated capital allowance. After this bank interest, leave interest for a second. Just I need you to see the property income. Is there any property income? In TTP, we have property income as well. Same thing I will apply for property income. Property income is for 15 months period. So how you are going to split it off? Same thing will apply for property income, that it's accrued as per the accounting period separately. Simple. So what will be the answers?
8,000.
Okay, and 2000. Good. This is done. Now we have chargeable gain. In TTP format, chargeable gain also comes. But the rule for chargeable gain is not like trading income and capital allowance. This rule is totally different. The chargeable gain and QCD rule is no splitting off. No splitting off. Show in the period in which it occurs. For chargeable gain and for QCD, show it when it's occur. Show it in the period in which it relates. How? Just look the screen 1 second. Uh, Look this one. The chargeable gain I am talking about only. I left the interest, okay? The chargeable gain, definitely in the exam you will have a date with it. You can see the date with chargeable gain or no? The 16,000.
Yeah, it's asset disposed on 1st June 2020.
Which period it belongs? From the first one or from the second one?
To the second one.
So we will just write it in the second one. This is the rule for chargeable gain. Got my point? Same thing will
Got it.
apply. Same thing will apply for QCD as well. But before QCD, we have to write bank interest and miscellaneous income. There is no miscellaneous income. So we will calculate bank interest, and after bank interest, we will have here total profits. And after total profits, we will have QCD, and the final answer will be TTP. Got it? So in order to calculate the bank interest, I need a space. So where I will do it, I will do it here. Okay. Now tell me, bank interest we learned yesterday. What we need? We need, this is bank interest income. Income means we need the receivable. What we need? Interest receivable figure we need.
Receivables.
Here is accruals and here is received, not receivable. So what we have to use? We have to apply the format, right or wrong?
Right.
Now the format is this one. Just help me putting the data. We are here. We are using it for the first period. Okay. Now the BD on 1st April 2021. 1st April 2021 is my BD. Right or wrong? What
Right.
answer you will write? The BD.
5,200.
Very good. How much you received this September? September fall in this period or no?
22,000.
Sorry.
It does.
And CD is how much?
4,100.
Correct. So the amount which is receivable, how much?
20,900.
Correct. But this is for the first period. Wait a moment. What about the second period? Is also. See, the CD here will be the BD here, right or wrong? What I am saying is easy.
Right.
The CD of one period will be the opening balance of the next period. Correct?
Yes.
What is the closing balance on 30th June? This is my ending.
9780.
9780. Very good. How much we received? There is no receipt. This
No
receipt is
receipt.
there, but this September, this fall in the first period. For the second period, there is no received, zero. Am I right? Hello.
Yes, right.
So what is the answer?
5680.
5680, and just we will use the calculator to add them up. And QCD is there. Is there any donations?
No donations. Okay, charitable donation.
Where it will fall, the date.
The first one is first 12.
CGT, capital gains, and QCD will appear where it falls. Trading income, property income will split out, and interest we know how to calculate. We learned yesterday. So 418604 198906. This is the end of this one. And in the handout, there is one practice question for you. It's called Ash Limited. So Ash Limited, you will take as an assignment. You first note it down, and then we will move forward with the next topic. Okay, is it visible to you on one screen?
Yes, it is.
Sorry. Hello. Yeah,
Yes,
note
it
it
is.
down, and then we will start the new one.